Hello everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. A very good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss in the business communication principles of effective communication. This topic remained in previous video lecture. In the previous video lecture we had covered oral and written communication, the forms of oral communication. These forms are instruction, lecture meeting, interview, rumors, grapevine, face-to-face communication, telephone, teletalk, union channel or complaint. In the written communication, written forms of communications are rules and regulations, policies, instruction handbook, order circular, letters, manuals, poster, annual reports. These topics we had covered in the previous lecture. Today we will start from here, that is house magazines. House magazines are also forms of written communication. ठीक है तो जैसे हम बात करते हैं मैगजीन्स की, ठीक है, मैगजीन्स भी बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन कन्वे करती हैं. जैसे हम बात करें मैगजीन्स इंक्लूड, जैसे बिजनेस मैगजीन्स की बात करते हैं, बिजनेस मैगजीन्स इंक्लूड information which is related to business practices, current situation of the market, current situation of the product and services. ठीक है, these all information carry and include in business magazine. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन इज यूनियन पीरियोडिकल्स. जैसे क्या है यूनियन पीरियोडिकल्स की हम बात कर रहे हैं. एक टाइम पीरियड के बाद कुछ एक तरीके से न्यूज़ पब्लिश की जाती है जो कि बिजनेस प्रैक्टिसेस से रिलेटेड होती है. ठीक है, तो वो यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं यूनियन पीरियोडिकल. जैसे कोई कंपनी है वो हर 1 महीने बाद, हर 3 महीने बाद क्या है कोई रिटन इन्फॉर्मेशन कन्वे करती है अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को, अपने कस्टमर्स को. ठीक है, तो ये भी क्या है रिटन फॉर्म्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है. नेक्स्ट हम बात कर रहे हैं सजेशन. ठीक है, जैसे सपोज हम कोई रिपोर्ट बनाते हैं, हमारी कोई रिसर्च चल रही है, अब उस रिसर्च पे हमने काम करा, हमारी फाइंडिंग्स आई हमारी, फिर हम सजेशंस भी देते हैं, तो वो भी रिटन फॉर्म्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन है. रिपोर्ट्स राइटिंग ऑल्सो आर रिटन फॉर्म्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन. कंप्लेंट्स, ठीक है, इन द बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, इन द फैक्ट्रीज, वर्कर कंप्लेंट, फाइल कंप्लेंट to their superiors in the written way, that is also way of communication. और grievance procedure. ठीक है, the grievance procedure, the complaints which are related to business practices, that information complained by the consumer to the superiors. तो ये सारे क्या थे, रिटर्न फॉर्म्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन थे. ठीक है, अब आ जाते हैं प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन. प्रिंसिपल्स, in order to make communication effective, the following principles should be kept in mind of view. Suppose you are going to start a communication in the business organization, you are going to conduct a meeting and you are performing, you are giving the presentation. That time you have to follow these principles. These principles make your communication efficiently, effective and smoothly. ठीक है, and very easy, very efficient. It is very helpful for receivers to understand the message which is in the same intention which is sent by the sender. So let's start principles of effective communication. First one is principles of self satisfaction. ठीक है, principle of self satisfaction means to say, if I am sending such kind of information which is related to business practices, that information I have to recall in our mind and I have to satisfy ourselves. ठीक है, कि मैं उस इन्फॉर्मेशन से मैं खुद सेटिस्फाई हो जाऊं कि वाकई में इन्फॉर्मेशन कंप्लीट, मतलब कि सही है या नहीं है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्लियर आवर सेल्फ. मुझे अपने आप में क्लियर करना है कि क्या ये इन्फॉर्मेशन जो भी टारगेट ऑडियंस है उनके हिसाब से रेलिवेंट है, प्रॉपर आपने सारी चीज़ों को यूज़ करा है या नहीं करा है. तो वो यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ सेल्फ सेटिस्फैक्शन. सेंडर मस्ट सेल्फ सेटिस्फाई विद देयर concise message. After that message should be sent to the receiver. ठीक है. Second one is principle of clarity. There must be clarity in the communication, clarity in your words, clarity in your language, clarity in your intention. ठीक है, तो वो यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं प्रिंसिपल ऑफ क्लैरिटी. मीन्स टू से आपकी जो भी आप कम्युनिकेशन कर रहे हैं, जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आप सेंड कर रहे हैं, यू विल नॉट बी कंफ्यूज, यू हैव टू क्लियर कि क्या चीज़ आप डिलीवर कर रहे हो और उसका क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव है, क्या पर्पस है, ठीक है। दिस थिंग यू हैव टू क्लियर इन योर माइंड prior before sending the message to the receiver. Next one is principle of attention. Principle of attention carry and involve between both of parties. Sender and receiver both of party must be attentive while sending the information. Receiver must be attentive and receiver giving the feedback. Sender must be attentive. ठीक है. Next one is principle of consistency. There will be consistency in your communication, in your subject matter. ठीक है. Next one is principle of adequacy. ठीक है. There must be adequacy in your communication. ठीक है. Right information on right person you have to send. Principle of timeliness. ठीक है. According to the time, according to the situation, you have to convey the message. ठीक है. In the business organization, morning time is very energetic. That time you have to convey a plan, a procedure, a new target to their employees. In the lunch time, that is very boring and very leisure time. That time worker's mind is not active. ठीक है. So in this situation, if you will suggest new thing, they will be not attentive toward your communication. So according to time you have to communicate. Okay. Next one is principle of integration. Principle of integration means you have to integrate all the resources. After that you have to communicate. Principle of feedback. There must be feedback in a communication process. Feedback ensure that the message is sent by the sender, received by the receiver is same intention. ठीक है. Feedback prove that receiver is understanding the message. ठीक है. By their reply or their feedback. Principle of informality. ठीक है. The formalities which are required you have to complete, you have to follow in the communication process. Communication network must be proper in the communication. So it is very easy and it is very helpful for both of the party to understand the message. So these are the principles of effective communication in the business organization. These principles followed by the employees of the organization, and with the help of these they can make a strong and healthy communication and complete their business practices. ठीक है. Okay, thank you very much.